Cleaning fish is an essential skill for anyone who enjoys cooking or fishing. It's a process that requires precision, patience, and practice. And today, we're going to walk you through the steps to do it right. First things first, setting up your workspace is crucial. Lay out your cutting board on a clean, flat surface. Gather your tools: a sharp knife, a bowl of water, paper towels, and if you have them, a gutting tool and disposable gloves. Now, if your fish still sports its scales, it's time to bid them goodbye. Grip the fish firmly by the tail and use the blunt edge of your knife or a fish scaler to scrape off those scales. Remember, always work from the tail towards the head, with quick, firm strokes. Once you've done that, a rinse under cold water will wash away any stragglers. Next, we're going to delve into the belly of the beast. Position your fish on its side on the cutting board. With your sharp knife, make a small cut along the belly, starting from the anus and working your way to the head. Be cautious not to puncture any internal organs. This is where your fingers or a gutting tool come into play, gently removing the innards, intestines, and other internal organs. A thorough rinse under cold water will take care of any remaining blood or debris. Cleanliness is key in this process. Give the fish a good rinse inside and out under cold running water to remove any residual blood, slime, or leftover bits. Pat the fish dry with paper towels inside and out to remove excess moisture. This makes the fish easier to handle and cook. At this point, depending on your recipe and personal preference, you might want to fillet or steak the fish. Use your sharp knife to carefully cut the fillets from either side of the fish or to slice steaks across the body. Once you're done with the fish, it's time to take care of the waste. Dispose of it properly. You could bury it in your garden or compost it if that's feasible. Clean your workspace, cutting board, knife, and any tools you've used with hot, soapy water to prevent any cross-contamination. If you wore gloves during the cleaning process, dispose of them properly as well. Finally, it's time to store or cook the fish. If you're not using it right away, refrigerate it for later use. Or, if you're eager to taste the fruits of your labor, get cooking with your favorite recipe. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to cleaning fish. The more you do it, the more efficient and skilled you'll become. So, why not give it a go? And once you've tried it, share your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear how it went.